Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. After so many days, I'm really very sorry that I'm not being regular during some days because I was little busy in my job and in my other regular works, and today I have got some time, and then I have thought why not I will share the magical thing I have with me, because I want to share with all of you what results I have got. Results means you all understand now about what I'm talking about from the video title and the thumbnail. So let's get started. So guys, in past few days I used to have so many pimples on my skin, and at that time I have found few products on Purple, and I have shared also in my previous Purple haul. I have already shared that one of that product I have shared already. After using that product, I really felt very well, and I thought why not I will order the whole range of it. That is the, some people say anti-acne and some people say anti-acne, so I say both. So the anti-acne range from DermDoc brand. So this is a brand that I am using recently, and first of all I have used, as I have already shared in my Purple haul, this serum, that is the DermDoc anti-acne face serum with salicylic acid. This serum I used on my face and I felt so good, really. After that, one day I have seen there was a complete anti-acne range of these DermDoc brand, and that I didn't have any second thought. I ordered that thing. I have ordered the total range, and in that range I have three products. That is, one is a face wash, and second is a toner, and the third is a face gel. So guys, one by one I will share all the products with all of you, but before going to share, I want to tell you these products have drastically changed my skin. Really, you can see there are, you will see there are few spots of pimples. Spots are there and pimples are really decreased in number, and now I am very happy with these products and with the result as well. That is why I cannot stop myself from sharing all these products with all of you. So without delaying, I'm starting the explanation about the products. So the first product we have, as इसको मैंने already open कर लिया. This is DermDoc anti-acne face wash with salicylic acid. This is a complete range, so all ingredients are like the same one. So it is anti-acne face wash with salicylic acid, and you will get a 200 ml bottle with it. A 200 ml, and it is written paraben free, sulfate free and cruelty free. So this product is also a very good product. I will show you the consistency here. ये कैसे निकला ये? So you can see it's really like transparent consistency, और ये इतना thick भी नहीं है. So ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा हल्का सा लगता है, जैसे कि बिल्कुल पानी के जैसा. मतलब इतना पानी जैसा भी नहीं है पर इतना thick भी नहीं है. So this is the face wash, and the next product I have here is the serum that I have already told. This serum is kind of not at all thick. ये बिल्कुल भी थिक नहीं है. दिस इज रियली लाइक वाटर कंसिस्टेंसी, और ये बहुत रनी भी. आप यहाँ पे लगाओगे ये झट से नीचे गिर जाता है. सो इसको आपको थोड़ा देख के लगाना पड़ेगा. दिस इज एंटी एक्ने फेस सीरम विद सैलिसाइलिक एसिड. I loved it. I loved this serum. Really, I'm going to order another one, this same serum. And this is the second product, and the third product here we have is a skin gel, face gel. This is anti-acne face gel with salicylic acid. इसमें आपको 60 grams का quantity मिलता है, और सीरम आपको जैसे नॉर्मल, जैसे हर सीरम में छोटे से मिलता है, 10 ml का सीरम मिलता है आपको. इसमें आपको 60 grams मिल रहा है ये जेल, एज आई हैव यूज्ड इट ऑल्सो ऑलरेडी. इसमें भी आपको बिल्कुल ही वाटर लाइक मतलब ट्रांसपेरेंट कंसिस्टेंसी, आपको कुछ दिखेगा नहीं, लग रहा होगा ये बिल्कुल खाली है, पर ये खाली है नहीं, इसके अंदर बहुत सारा जेल बचा हुआ है that I use. So this is the third product in the anti-acne range, and I am really so much satisfied with this product. You will not believe. I am going to buy another one after using this, and this gave me a very good result. I am totally satisfied, and I will share all these products link or the range link in the description box, so that if you want to try these products, you can surely do that, because these are so good, amazing for my skin. And I don't know, it's like quite 2 weeks or 3 weeks I'm using these products, and till now I'm having very good results. Let me use a few more days, then I will understand it's sustainable or not, and again I will share my reviews with all of you. So this range is really very much affected good, and these have given good results. So I love this range, and I hope you all will also love, give it a try, because these are good for all skin types. If you are thinking that you have a sensitive skin, then also you can use these things, as it is written in the description. You can read it before ordering. Before giving the order, you can check the description. They have written everything on the site. I will share the link in the description box. And that's all for today's video. I'm going to make many more videos, and till then you subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of my videos. If you like my content, then only you can subscribe. I'm not forcing anyone. Okay, so up to this much only for today, guys. We'll see you again very soon. I will not be late like this. So from now I will be regular in making videos. So bye bye. Do subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and do follow me on my Instagram also. There I'm very much regular. I post every day, like every day, not every day, like every second day I post videos or photos like this. Bye bye everyone.